So before I get started, I just want to let you guys know that I am doing a giveaway on 4 bundles of this here I'm about to install, and all the information on the giveaway will be linked down below. So let's get started. So I received it here in a Trendy Tresses drawstring bag, and this is the here. This is one bundle. One bundle contains about 12 pieces of hair. This is my braiding pattern, and this is one piece of the hair. Now to crochet, you want to get your crochet hook and place that under your braid. Put the hair into your crochet hook, draw it from under your cornrows, take away the hook, open the loop, push it through, twist it, and push it through again, and that's pretty much how you crochet. I'm just gonna continue doing that for the rest of my head. Now I must tell you that for one piece of the hair, I did split like one piece into about 4 sections, as you can see right here, just so I could get like more uses out of the hair. I used a total of about 3 to 4 packs of hair, and as you can see, it is a lot. So the last thing I'm gonna do is just trim up my hair, and that's pretty much it for the tutorial, you guys. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. But thanks for watching my video, and see you in my next one.